Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the Nuwave Lux 13-piece forged lightweight cookware set. If you're in the market for a new kitchen upgrade, especially something that prioritizes health and performance, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's start with what immediately stands out, the construction and the coating. Nuwave is touting this as a premium, forged cookware set. They emphasize that it's strong and durable, yet remarkably lightweight. This is a crucial balance for any home cook, as heavy pots and pans can be a real hassle. They describe it as a work of art where form meets function, designed to exceed expectations for any skill level. We'll put that to the test. Now, the real star of the show here is the healthy Duralon Blue coating. This is a G10 Duralon Blue ceramic coating, and Nuwave makes it very clear that it's eco-friendly and ultra-non-stick. What's more important is what it contains. This coating is free of harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a big deal for many consumers who are trying to avoid these substances in their kitchenware. They also highlight that it doesn't emit toxic gases at higher temperatures, which contributes to a safer cooking environment for you and your family. Digging a little deeper into this Generation 10 ceramic, it's rated at a 9H hardness. This means it's exceptionally resistant to abrasion and corrosion. For us, the home cook, this translates to cookware that shouldn't chip or discolor easily and, most importantly, should retain its non-stick properties for a much longer time. A truly effective non-stick surface is a game-changer for easy cooking and even easier cleanup. They also promise fast and even heating, effortless food release, and extraordinary durability. These are all claims we'll be scrutinizing. The lids are also quite interesting. These are premium metal lids, which is a nice touch for a set that aims for a premium feel. They feature what Nuwave calls flavor dots. These are essentially designed for efficient moisture control. Each dot acts as a channel, redirecting moisture back onto the food. They describe it as a gentle rain shower, basting the food for maximum flavor. This is a feature that could really elevate everyday cooking, keeping roasts moist and stews rich. Let's talk about the PFAS-Free claim. Nuwave states that this all-natural ceramic coating is applied to the cooking surface, ensuring it's free from per and polyfluoroalkyl substances. They've even had the Duralon Blue G10 ceramic coating tested by TUV for 106 known PFAS elements, and none were detected. This is a strong statement for those concerned about forever chemicals and their presence in cookware. Finally, compatibility. This set is induction ready and compatible with all cooktops, including electric and gas. That's a standard these days, but it's good to have it confirmed. Beyond that, the cookware, including the metal lids, is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows for a seamless transition from stove to oven, making it versatile for a wide range of dishes, from searing steaks to baking bread. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of the Nuwave Lux cookware set. On the positive side, the commitment to a healthy cooking surface is a major win. The absence of PTFE, PFOA, lead, cadmium, and PFAS is incredibly important for many consumers. The G10 Duralon Blue coating promises excellent durability and longevity, which means this could be a long-term investment in your kitchen. The lightweight design is also a significant practical advantage for everyday use. The premium metal lids with their flavor dots are a thoughtful feature that could genuinely improve cooking results. Furthermore, the all-cooktop compatibility and oven-safe rating up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit make this a very versatile set. However, there are always considerations. While the set is described as lightweight, some users might still find certain pieces a bit heavier than expected depending on their personal preference or prior experience with ultra-lightweight materials. The durability of any ceramic coating, no matter how hard it's rated, can sometimes be a concern for some users, especially with constant use and potential for accidental metal utensil contact if not careful. While the flavored dots on the lids are an interesting concept, their real-world effectiveness compared to traditional basting techniques might vary. Lastly, at a 13-piece set, the initial investment might be a consideration for some, though the value proposition seems strong if the performance and durability live up to the claims. In conclusion, the Nuwave Lux 13-piece forged lightweight cookware set presents itself as a compelling option for those prioritizing health, durability, and versatility in their kitchen. The emphasis on a PFAS-Free, Duralon Blue ceramic coating, combined with a robust construction and thoughtful lid design, positions it as a strong contender in the modern cookware market. Link in the description.